Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're gonna go over Onyxcoin XCN up a whopping 13.1% at 009, $319 million market cap, which is extremely small compared to a lot of the other coins. We have a circulating supply of 33 billion out of 48. All-time high is 18 cents. I say this every time at the beginning. I think we're easily going to smash through that 18 cents. This bull run all-time low was a year ago at quadruple 07. Currently available on the following exchanges, a ton of them. There's 3 different pages. They're all on the big one. So if you want this, you can most likely find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Onyxcoin. All right, Onyxcoin, let's go. First thing I want to point out, WTX, constant buy signals currently taking place. We actually did put in a higher high right here, which is indicative of a return reversal. Look at the RSI. RSI is looking pretty solid as well. The big thing I want to point out for you guys here, this would be a rather quick video. I'm going to be talking pretty fast, is we have not touched that 382 yet. I don't think we're going down to 005, guys. I really don't think we're going down to 005 right here. I mean, regardless, I don't think we broke out of the downtrend yet either. No, we're at it right now. So we're at the downtrend right now. We have not broken out of the lifelong, or we have not touched the lifelong 382 yet. And then if we draw the short-term fib area right here, this is the real storyteller right here, guys. So make sure you pay attention, is the 618. We need to break the zero. We need to get rid of the zero. As soon as we get rid of the zero at the 618, which you can see we're actually flatlined at it, that's when we will start printing money. We need to get back over 009. We need to lose that zero. We lose that zero, we break out of this downtrend, and you start that next parabolic rally for this coin. We've talked about it over and over again, that next parabolic rally, possibly going up to that 15 to 70, what was I say, 75? Yeah, 75 cents area. And this could be on the cusp of it right now. Indicators are looking solid. Stock RSI blue over orange, which is fantastic. We have a lot of room to run to the upside right here. So the bullish momentum most likely is going to continue. What kind of backs that up is the stock RSI, or not stock RSI, the WTX buy signal, and putting in a higher high at this point. And then you have the RSI itself. RSI is looking pretty solid, putting in a higher low. So overall, I do think there is a very good chance that we are going to break over the 618 here and get rid of that zero. And this is the push we've been looking for. I've been covering this coin so often for you guys, pretty much the entire downtrend, pretty much this and then this, that we are ready. We are ready to be baptized by the God candle and sent up to that 1, 2, 3, 6 area. We are all ready for it. I know you guys are. And conditions are right for us to break out of this downtrend. Not saying we're going to go straight parabolic up to that general area, but the overall momentum, if we do break out of this downtrend, should be bullish. I know everything's bleeding right now. The stock market's down big, crypto's down big, everything's down big. If you were around in the bear market, and if you were following my channel back when Solana went down to $8, we, in the channel and everything like that, we were like, buy, fear, sell, grade. Solana didn't go anywhere. We knew Solana wasn't going to go anywhere. So what did we do? We bought Solana at that cheap ass price. Pardon my French. Similar things happen with a lot of other cryptos, just like XCN. XCN, you know, obviously people who are new, maybe you weren't around in 2023, you weren't able to buy the bottom right here, but this in the future is going to be the bottom. People are going to look back at this dip, the big crash on the crypto and stock market, and be like, that was the buying opportunity that I wish I could, you know, how many times have you said, I wish I had a time machine to do this? Wish I had the time machine to go back and buy that dip. In my personal opinion, that is what the last couple days were. And we're starting to come out of that. We're starting to recover. And just a lot of indicators are kind of showing that, like I mentioned, 618, all these day chart indicators. And then I think even the long-term indicators, such as the 3-day, like even the 3-day, I mean, the MACD is about ready to flip bullish. Is there so much stuff going on, and people are just looking at the intraday, the day-to-day action, that you need to just go outside, touch grass, zoom out. Historically, everything has recovered. Stock market has always recovered and gone higher. Crypto has always recovered and gone higher. Always. And every time during a bull market or something like this, there is a period where people are like, oh, it's over. And when you hear that, that is the time to buy. And in my personal opinion, that is now. That was actually probably yesterday or the day before, but we're coming out of that right now. So I'm just rambling on now. I'm just I'm just rambling on. I feel like I'm in a live stream just talking. But overall, keep an eye on 1 cent. That is our moon line. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.